Welcome aboard Avalon. This is my latest listing and she is a 2000 classic Hinckley picnic boat. She has a single Yanmar inboard diesel engine with a Hamilton jet drive system. She's been professionally maintained and serviced for her entire duration. She is a second owner boat. Starting back here on our helm deck, we have this gorgeous brightwork that's become synonymous with Hinckley's. Jet drive system, brand new raymarine electronics. Sight lines and amenities aboard these boats are unbelievable. Under the center lounge is our single Yanmar inboard diesel engine. She really is turnkey for 2020. And let's hop down below. Checking out her galley. We have a very deep, spacious refrigeration compartment, single basin stainless steel sink, and a 2-burner Force 10 stove top. There's tons of storage inside here. In the cabin we have 4 operating ports and a hatch and 2 lockers. Right now the V-berth insert is down and in. There's also a drop flat screen TV and DVD player up here for extra cruising amenities. And like I mentioned, we have full service records for her professional maintenance. Check out her head. Very large mirror, sink, operating port for natural ventilation. Super spacious in here. Cabin sole is in fantastic shape. Here is stored the companionway hatch. Classic boat. Let's hop up on deck to see more. I love this layout with the fore and aft companion seat here. Side decks. She really is a turnkey option for this 2020 boating season. If you have any questions about Avalon, please feel free to call, text, or email me. Thanks for joining me on board today, and I look forward to seeing you out on the water soon.